Alan, thank you. And with hunting season in full swing, it's never a bad idea for a refresher on hunters' education and safety tips when it comes to handling a gun.
Our Alexis Green spoke to experts on 3 basic rules that can be used to avoid an accident or even a tragedy.
Darren Sikes, NRA certified gun trainer at Nichols Guns, says they see a variety of customers who come into their store, from long-range precision shooters to those who have never picked up a gun in their life. But the most important part of the sport is safety.
A lot of accidents occur whenever we're kind of too comfortable with the gun, right? We may kind of get too relaxed or, lackadaisical, going through the motions. That's usually when bad things happen.
Sikes says at Nichols Guns, they offer a variety of courses to fit each individual's needs. But no matter the level of expertise, everyone should practice these 3 golden rules. 1,
always keep the gun pointed down range or where you intend to shoot. Know what is your target and what's beyond your target. Huge concern with hunting. That's number 1 for hunters. And then 3rd, always keep our finger off the trigger until ready to shoot.
Texas game warden Laren Johnson says she's seen hunting accidents every year, adding that the majority of all firearm mishaps come from mishandling, and encourages handlers to keep their gun unloaded until ready to use.
Someone was pulling a firearm out of a vehicle or climbing up into a blind and it was loaded and it accidentally goes off.
According to Johnson, it is now a requirement for hunters to take a hunter safety course if they were born after 1971 in an effort to reduce hunting accidents and fatalities in Texas.
We have seen the downward trend of hunting accidents occurring, which means the safety course is working, and that's why it is a requirement and is going to continue to be a requirement for hunters.
Alexis Green, 3 News.
All right, thanks for that, Alexis.